Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant error code val68. Alright, it is pretty easy to fix. The first thing that you need to do here is to go to your search bar and type in CMD. Alright, now once the command prompt pops up, just go ahead and go to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. Click on it and that will be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. Alright, as you can see here, the command prompt is open. So what you're going to want to do here is type in ipconfig // DNS. Once done, hit on enter. Another one, ipconfig // release. Hit enter. ipconfig // renew. Hit enter and wait for the process to finish. Alright, as you can see here, the process is done. Just type in netsh winsock reset. Hit enter. netsh int ip reset. Hit enter again, and as you can see here, it's all done. Just type in exit and hit our enter to close the command prompt. After that, you're gonna want to restart your computer. All right, once it boots up, go ahead and run Valorant and see if it helps. Now if that won't work, again, open up your CMD, run as administrator, hit on yes. All right, now you're gonna want to compare to DNS servers. All right, the first one here is ping 1.1.1.1. This one is from Cloudflare's DNS. All right, you can go ahead and use any other DNS here as well. But just for this example and to give you the idea, all right, I'm going to hit on enter. All right, it's done. Now I'm going to type in ping 8.8.8.8. This is from Google itself. All right, Google's DNS. I'm going to hit on enter and we're going to compare the two on which one is faster. Or as you can see here, the ones from Google is the faster one. So I'm going to go ahead and use the 8.8.8.8 DNS. Now to do that, I'm going to minimize this one. Then go head over to the internet icon right here at the taskbar. I'm going to right click on it and go to Open Network and Internet Settings. All right. Once you're in here, just go ahead and click on Change Adapter Options. And you'll be able to see your available networks right here. Just double click on the ones that you're currently using. For example, I only have one here, so I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. And there will be a window. So I'm going to click on Properties. Another window will pop up. I'm going to locate Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. Click on it and hit on Properties. All right. As you can see here, I have already used the ones from Google DNS. So if yours is set to obtain DNS server automatically, you might want to use this one below it. Use the following DNS server addresses. All right. So the faster one here in CMD is Google's DNS, right? So I'm going to use 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Now, if you have a Cloudflare that is faster, so what you're going to want to do is change this to 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. All right. Once done, just hit on enter and this one will close. Close this one. Close. Close. Again. Restart your computer. Once it boots up, launch the game again and see if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, you might want to add your game to the firewall. All right, to do so, just go ahead and go to your search bar again and type in firewall. Firewall and a network protection will pop up. Just go ahead and click on it. All right, now once you're in here, just go ahead and click on allow an app through firewall. All right, this window will pop up. So what we're going to do in here is click on this one, which says change settings. Click on it. And here at the bottom, click on allow another app. All right, then click on browse. Once you're in here, just go ahead and click on C, as this is where Valorant is usually installed. All right, see that Riot Games, Valorant live shooter game, binaries Win64, and Valorant Win64 shipping. All right, once you have it located, just go ahead and hit on open and hit on add. As you can see here, it is now added. So what we're going to do next is make sure that private and public is ticked. And once done, just hit on OK. Close this one. Launch Valorant again and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.